Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use speech-to-speech on Elevenlabs AI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to go to your 11labs.io website so you can access the 11labs AI model. Then you need to log in or to your account, and if you don't have one, just create one using Google, or you can start using email or phone number to create an account. So basically from here, you can see that there is this tool of speech to speech to create your own or to generate your own voices. And basically here you can choose the settings of the model. Here you can see the voice that you want to be cloned or to be used for your speech. And of course, you can add more settings for this speech. And from here, you can start recording video. I'm just going to click here, and now I'm going to allow my video, and basically now I'm talking here, and basically this is my recording that I used. So and now I'm just going to generate from this voice. So this voice will start seeing exactly what I'm saying here, and I'm just going to click on generate. And after that, this is my results, and it is saying exactly as I said. And those are like the caption or what I have said since I was recording while recording this tutorial. And basically now you can start like downloading the video or start playing it, or you can start adding more other recording, or you can start talking with some certain accents if you would like, so you can have the exact uh, voice using your accents or using the text that you would like to generate, etc. So basically, this is how you can use this tool. Thank you for watching and see you next time.